In this video, we'll make combining like terms feel easy. On the screen, you see the expression 4x minus 3 plus 2x plus 5 minus x. By the end of this lesson, expressions like this will feel simple. When we combine like terms, we are just cleaning up an expression. Our strategy is: first, identify which terms are alike. They have the same variable and the same power. Second, group like terms together and keep the signs. Third, add or subtract the coefficients. Let's see how that works on some quick examples. First example, 2x plus 3x. Both terms are x terms, so they are like terms. We add the coefficients. 2 plus 3 equals 5. So the result is 5x. Second, 7a minus 4a. Again, same variable, so they are like terms. 7 minus 4 is 3, so we get 3a. Now an important example, 3x plus 4y. Here the variables are different, x and y, so these are not like terms. We cannot combine them, so the expression stays as 3x plus 4y. Finally, numbers without variables are also like terms with each other. For example, 5 plus 9 minus 3. 5 plus 9 is 14, and 14 minus 3 is 11. Now, let's combine like terms inside a longer expression. Take 2x plus 5 plus 3x minus 1. First, group the x terms. 2x plus 3x. Then group the numbers. 5 minus 1. 2 plus 3 is 5, so we get 5x. 5 minus 1 is 4, so the final answer is 5x plus 4. Another one with two variables. 4x plus 2y minus x plus 5y. Group the x terms. 4x minus x. Group the y terms. 2y plus 5y. 4 minus 1 is 3, so we get 3x. 2 plus 5 is 7, so we get 7y. The simplified expression is 3x plus 7y. Now let's solve the hook example from the beginning. 4x minus 3 plus 2x plus 5 minus x. First group the x terms. 4x plus 2x minus x. Then group the numbers. Minus 3 plus 5. 4 plus 2 minus 1 is 5, so we get 5x. Minus 3 plus 5 is 2. So the simplified expression is 5x plus 2. Let's summarize the key ideas. Like terms have the same variable and the same exponent. Group like terms together and then add or subtract the coefficients. The variable part stays the same, only the numbers in front change. Plain numbers are also like terms with each other. Now it's your turn. Simplify this expression. 7x minus 3 plus 2x plus 8 minus 4x. Put your answer in the comments and check what other people got. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning algebra.